Top 5 apps like Bloxysite, free Robux and risk a scam that actually work today. Many websites promise free Robux but are scams, and most people get this wrong by trusting unsafe sources. The surprising truth is there are legitimate ways to safely earn or purchase Robux. Here are 5 apps that actually work today. First, Roblox official app. Purchase Robux directly or earn through verified events. Users trusted for security. Second, Microsoft Rewards. Complete simple tasks online to earn points redeemable for Roblox gift cards. Verified and safe. Third, Swagbucks. Earn points via surveys, videos, and games, then redeem for Roblox gift cards. Customers highlight consistent and safe payouts. Fourth, Mistplay. Rewards mobile gameplay with points that can be converted to Roblox gift cards. Users report safe and quick redemptions. Finally, Google Opinion Rewards. Earn Play Store credits by answering surveys and redeem for Robux. Trusted and convenient. Pro tip: avoid any site asking for your Roblox password. Stick to verified apps to protect your account. These 5 apps let you safely get Robux without risking scams or account security.